All right, TLI quick tip coming at you today, and this one is all about really cool features in Google Calendar. And if you think you know all of them, think again, because Google Calendar has tons of really great features for you. So the first one is a simple one. I did not know it, and I think it's really great. I just kind of clued into it. If you pin Google Calendar on your browser bar, you're going to notice there's a little number in the window right here. So that's today's date, which I'm sure many of you had figured out, but I did not know. Which is really handy to have. Number two, if you click on this drop-down menu by where it says week, you have the option to change to a day view or perhaps to a month view, something like that. But the thing that's really cool about it too is you also have these keyboard shortcuts right there to remind you. So if I'm in my month view and I want to go to A, or if I click the letter A, I get my agenda view. If I click the letter X, I instantly jump to 4-day view, and if I click the letter D, I instantly jump to a day view. So really, really handy, really efficient. The next one is I want to show you is about colors and how you can use color in your Google Calendar. So for this, you need to know what a hex code is. A hex code is a 6-digit code which represents a specific color in HTML. So FF5733 represents this bright orange color here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that color code. And then if I go back into my Google Calendar, I can click on the little kebab menu by my name, and I can choose any one of the colors that's here, or I can go ahead and add in a new hex code. So if I just drop that in there and go save, it's going to apply this bright orange. Let's see if I can't get a different one. Let's try this bright, nice green color. Go back, kebab menu, plus button, paste it in, and now my calendar is this awesome nuclear green color. All right, this one is really interesting. If you want to just really, really quickly and efficiently make an event in Google Calendar without actually having to navigate back, you can use the Chrome Omnibox for that. So if I say meeting with Daniela tomorrow at 4 p.m., and I hit enter, a Google search will come up, but the first thing it's going to notice is that I'm trying to maybe make an event. So it's going to say, do you want to go ahead and create this event? And I say yes, and then it'll create the event. And if I jump back to my Google Calendar, I might need to refresh here. And Saturday, 4 p.m., I should have an event with Daniela. Where is it? Oh, I got to jump back to today. There it is, meeting with Daniela at 4 p.m. All right, and the final one I want to show you. Oftentimes when I'm using Google Calendar, I'm meeting with people, I'm scheduling events with people that are in other time zones or all around the world, and I always mess up. What time does an event start for me versus what time does it start for them? So you can go ahead and include this world clock right inside of your calendar so you know what time it is all around the world. So how do you get there? You're going to go into the settings, the little gear widget, and click on settings. And then if you click on underneath general, you have the option to add in a world clock. So you can just click on add time zone and click on the little caret icon, and then you can go to any country or place on earth that you want. So if we pick one that's totally different, like let's say Hong Kong, and then I go back to my calendar, you're gonna see that Hong Kong is now in this list. And another thing that's really handy is it shows that it's nighttime. It's 12:03 a.m. in Hong Kong. So there you go, 5 little quick tips that make Google Calendar even better. I hope you can make use of them.